Hi all. In this video, we're going to look into why the recession happened and how it will affect Biden's political fortunes. U.S. faces a Fed-triggered recession that may cost Biden a second term. Rate hikes to counter inflation lift risk of a downturn to 72% in Bloomberg Economics models, heralding trouble for the White House. Soaring prices are hurting Americans. The cure is going to hurt, too. It may take a recession to stamp out inflation, and it's likely to happen on President Joe Biden's watch. A downturn by the start of 2024, barely even on the radar just a few months ago, is now close to a 3 in 4 probability, according to the latest estimates by Bloomberg Economics. On Wednesday, the Fed delivered its biggest interest rate hike in almost 3 decades, as it takes the fight against inflation into overdrive. When central bankers try this hard to slow the economy down, they often end up tipping it into outright reverse. Investors are rushing to bet on that kind of bad outcome, sending stocks and bonds plunging. American households, watching their retirement funds dwindle as their grocery and utility bills soar, say they feel gloomier about the economy than at any time in more than 4 decades. All of this, it's worth pointing out, is happening at a time when U.S. consumers are still flush with cash and jobless rates are near historic lows. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said Wednesday there's no sign of a broader slowdown. The Fed's own projections, and others highlighted by the administration, suggest a recession remains unlikely, showing how different economic models can produce a wide range of outcomes. Still, the mood has turned sour at an alarming pace, putting Biden at risk of joining an unenvied club. From Jimmy Carter to George H.W. Bush to Donald Trump, one-term U.S. presidents of the past half-century all had their re-election hopes fatally injured by the lingering effects of a recession. That prospect is already causing turmoil in the Biden camp, ahead of crucial midterm elections in November when his Democrats must defend thin majorities in Congress, or risk losing what ability they have to get legislation passed, including measures to lift the economy if it slumps. Also, see our other videos about the U.S. economy.